and my name is Ali Assad. I'm the president of Sealy Middle East. We have been the licensee of Sealy Mattress. It's an American company and a global company, and they are specialized in the manufacturing of mattresses. Well, the whole hotel show has been an important factor in our promotion and marketing our product. The hotel show is really an indicative of the growth of the hospitality industry in general. And it's an important factor in monitoring what level of economical growth a country has. So as you know, UAE has been the leading country in the region here in terms of hospitality and tourism. So to have a foothold in the hotel show is an important factor for us to introduce our product to our audience and also visitors to the region here. And it's been successful participation we had for the last 10 years. Our operation headquarters is in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It is where is the manufacturing operation. And then we have satellite offices in Dubai, Jordan, and Egypt. Our main business consists of two main sections or two main industries. The first industry is the retail, which we have our own organic showrooms. We have 20 showrooms in Saudi Arabia, mainly in Saudi Arabia, and we have distributors and dealers in Egypt, Dubai, and Jordan. And the other section or industry segment is the hospitality industry. So we cater for hotels in the region, in East Africa, and all the way to the Pacific and like the Maldives, Sri Lanka, India, etc. Sealy, it's one of the leading companies in the manufacturing of mattresses globally, and their strength comes from R&D. They do a lot of R&D and they invest a lot of money in research and development. Hence, they are very advanced in the way they manufacture their mattresses. And we usually have a saying in the industry of mattresses. So comfort is how you feel when you go into bed. Support is what you feel when you wake up in the morning. So Sealy has been really concentrating on the support that gives you for your back. So if you have the right support at night, you will wake up in the morning feeling refreshed, energized, and feeling happy about it. The hospitality models, I would say, it has been designed for heavy traffic. So has been differentiating between the retail mattresses and the hospitality mattresses. So the design, the quality of the fabric, and the intricate design inside the mattress, including the springs, has to be done in a way really to support the heavy use and the heavy traffic in the hotels. Again, it's a very important part of the room of the hotel. It's when you go into a hotel, in our opinion, we think that the mattress is the most important. The shower and the towels are really the most important thing that you're going to be used a lot while you are staying in the hotel. Therefore, we have different models, different categories, depending on the quality of the hotel or the star ratings of the hotel. So, for example, we are supplying Fairmont, Ritz-Carlton, all the niche high-end hotels, and also we are doing the generic hotels, Sheraton, Fairmont, Marriott, etc. So it's an interesting part of the business, and the quantities are usually large. So we are catering for a number of hotels in the region here. We are the only company in the bedding industry that has R&D facilities, and Sealy has a budget to spend about $40 million per year on R&D. So that has given us a lot of insight, analytical information of the bed operation and functionality. So they have introduced an important aspect in the bed, which we support the 1/3 of the bed, which is the 1/3 of the middle of the bed. This is where the heavy set of your body structure is. So it's usually at the shoulders and the hips. So this area, we have emphasized the raw material and the quality of the raw material that inject in this area, and we call it the core support. So this is an advantage that we have over our competition. We look forward for 2021. We look forward to participate in that event, and I think it's going to be a fresh start for everyone.